Good afternoon, dears. Today we are going to study about the Windows accessories. Okay, so what is that? First, let me say about the Windows accessories. We already know about the softwares, right? There are two types of softwares. What are the two types? Application software and system software. Okay, in the first class we told about the application softwares, right? System software means this Windows 7 is a system software, and Unix, that's another system software. Okay, so there are many system softwares, and the most commonly used system software is Windows 7. Okay, next is application software, and I will show you this application softwares. And these are what, can you see this? This is the writing software. Okay, this is the of Word. Okay, MS Word, we will say that. And calculators, painters, sticky notes, these all are what, application softwares. Okay, they need a specific function to do. So this is for writing, and this is for drawing, and this is for calculation. Okay, and sticky notes also for writing. So these all have a specific or a particular function. Adobe Photoshop, that's for the Photoshop works. So these are application software. Okay, then why I told about this application software. Accessories means it's a group of the application softwares. Okay, it is the group of application softwares. Then how we can open this accessories, how we can access it. There is one steps I will show you. This is the start button. This is the start button. So I have to click it. Okay, I have to click it. Just look there, my mouse pointer is coming there, and I click it. So one window is coming there, and I have to click this all program. Yes, okay. What I do, this one, all programs. Now one group of application software is coming there, right? So I have to search for the accessories. So you have to read each of which, and yes, here there is, can you see this, accessories? So I have to click it. Then I got many accessories, right? Calculator, then what are the many things are there, command prompt. So commonly used application softwares are calculator, notepad, paint, then sound recorder, sticky notes. Okay, these all are what, application softwares. And another one you can see, easy of access, one folder is there. If you open it, you can see there's on-screen keyboard, magnifier, and all. Okay, so this is the group of application softwares which include in the Windows accessories. Okay, so first let's tell about the calculator. Now I want to open the calculator. Then what I have to do? You have to look it. Okay, so the mouse is here, and I have to come here and the start button. Then I have to select. So many softwares came there, and which I have to take. Yeah, this one, calculator. So I have to click it. The calculator came there. So I have to press my button, and I have to move this calculator to here. We will call it as dragging. Okay, so I can drag it. Can you see this? So I have to click this button, I have to press this button, and I can drag the mouse. Okay, so the calculator came, and how I will calculate. So for example, let's take a simple calculation. 5 plus 1, then there is equal to, right? Equal to, can you see this? We got the answer. So it's working as the similar way of a digital calculator. Okay, it's very easy to do any calculation using this one. Okay, I close it. Did you understand? If it is a multiplication, what we'll do? Yeah, just let's say one example, 2 into, you can see there is one star, that is into, 2 into 3 equal to, good answer. Okay, the next accessory program is sticky notes. Okay, then how we'll select it, or how we'll open the sticky notes? The same way. You have to go to the start button and you just look there. Is there any sticky notes? Right, there is sticky notes. Okay, if you cannot see the sticky notes in this area, then you have to search here. Okay, you have to type the sticky notes. Okay, then at that time you will get the sticky notes from here. Okay, sometimes some of you can't see the sticky note in this main place. Okay, at that time if the sticky notes you can't see here, you have to search. Okay, you have to search here, then you will get the sticky note. Okay, anyway, in my system there is sticky note, so I have to open it. Single click, that's enough. Okay, then I got the sticky note here. Can you see this? So here we can type anything we have to remember. Okay, for example, anything I have to do today, means I have to complete my maths homework. So I can type here. Okay, I can type here. What I have to finish my. I have to finish my what? Finish my maths homework. That's enough. Okay, homework. So can you say this? I have to finish my homework. Then I do it. I did it. Okay. Then I can do any work in the system. Then it will be give what we can remind the things. Okay, so we don't have to remember for many times, and we don't have to remember it. If we are doing any works anytime, we can see this, and we can do the homework. Okay, so that's only a reminder. So sticky note, this is the way of using sticky note. Okay, if I don't want the sticky note, what I have to do, I have to close it. Okay, I have to close it. So you have to delete, yes. Okay, if I don't want this, I can close it. Clear?